اللهم أن هذه القلوب فاجتمعت على محبتك واتفقت على هذه المكارم عنك وتوحدت على دعوتك فوسع رحمك يا الله وأكرم هدها واملأها بنورك الذي لا يخلو واشرح صدورنا بفضل الإيمان بك وجميع التوكل عليك واهدنا سبل الهدى والسلام والسلام ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار يا الله أنت مستجاب بهذا الدعاء وعليك توكلنا وصلى الله على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وأصحابه أجمعين آمين. الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر.
In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. God, our loving Father, Creator of heaven and earth, we thank you for your generosity and kindness, and ask that you hear us in times of peace. Make us worthy of your blessing, and keep us from further wants. Help us restore our abundance here on earth, so that we may turn more attention to your divine kingdom. Help us become a blessing to our family and others, to glorify and honor your name. We ask this through our Lord Jesus Christ, your Son, who lives and reigns with you in the unity of the Holy Spirit, one God, forever and ever. Amen. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Please be seated. CBD conference. This is an avenue within things to discuss, explanations, and clarifications, as we have invited our from the planning and design section, our presenters. So also, I would like to make some guidelines of the ground rules that during the questions and clarifications, we will wait until the presenters opens the floor, and that would be the time we will raise our questions. So also, for us not to disturb the presenters or the proceedings of this PBD conference, please refrain from side-by-side meetings or conversation. So just hold it back and wait until the presenters opens the floor. May I recognize our Back Secretariat, Ma'am Norte, for the roll call and declaration of accord.
Okay, so good morning. Today is October 25, and attendance for today's activities starting with the back, Santiago, Antonino, II, Ramon Barrera Jr., Rose Vidara, Maligula Malon, and DPWH Zambo. For the technical working group, Pablito Piamonte, Sergio Balapito, Maria General Zamora, Giselle Macado, Alan Bastasa, Mark Glenn Mawan, Juni Cabuberde, Eliezer Adrias, and Erwin Salas. Secretariat, Naomi Cory, Miguelin Tutao, Tilindo Lakay, Maria Evelyn Pahinti, Evelyn Saumay, Junard Hundi, Maris Harapan, Vilma Maruli. For our presenter for today's activity, we have here Engineer Ismail Bayron from Planning and Design Section. For our observers for today's activity, we have here Johnny Tomano, Punong Barangay, Penacio, Leo Makaili, Gino Amarilli, and Angelo Chavo. Mr. Chair, we have a quorum for today's activity.
We have just the last of our market area, just this proceeding is in form. Now, any further announcement? management or regarding the 4 projects to be treated? Or will proceed? May I invite your attention to please lend your attention to here for the gentle reminder.
Okay, so good morning again. I am reiterating sa ato ang mga issuances and department orders, particularly dun sa ato ang pari. Dapat nakastate sa inyong pari, coterminous with the project completion, and this wording shall also be reflected in the official receipt. Then the performance bond shall remain valid until the issuance of the procuring entity of the certificate of final acceptance plus one year. Plus 1 year. So, the DOLI, ang ato ang DOLI CXSP, this is issued under DO12 series of 2024. Stated therein, it will be a part of the requirement for the processing and approval of the contract. Paragraph 2 clearly states that no claims for payment, including advance payment or first progress payment requested by the contractor, will undergo processing without the submission of the DPWH approved CSXP duly conferred by the DOLI. Then again, please be reminded of the DO28 series of 2024, the 3-strike policy. So classification of offenses, withdrawal from bidding process, submission of a non-participation letter, or failure to submit a bid after purchasing the bid documents, that is strike 1. Submission of late bids without valid reasons as determined by the BAC, and submissions of patently insufficient bids during eligibility screening. This is for the consulting services during bid eval and post-qualification. So, take note na every time after the conduct of this activity, the procurement unit will be preparing the 3-strike policy report, and this will be submitted to the central office, and the central office will integrate this report in their 3-strike database and post this in the DPWH internet and website. So sila ang maghimo na dayon sa mga suspension report base matingala na lang mo nga maisuhan mo. Like for example, ako ni dunay ko ani suspension order for NPU Construction Department Order 172 of Series of 2024. Ang iyaang offenses is the submission of patently insufficient bid sa katabato ni siya. So, 4 times siya nga ni-submit, siguro 1-time bidding ni, and then ang iyang field jet sa nang was expired, and so na-issuehan siya of suspension order. So, naglikay lang ta ng mga inana. So, please be guided with the said department order. And then, ang usapod sa ako ang gusto nga i-remind sa inyo is katong assigning of accredited contractors and consultants project engineer. If you remember, doon na tayo DO156 series of 2023, dated December 13, 2023, which was the deferment of the assignment of the accredited contractors, consultants, project engineers to DPWH project until June 30, 2024. And then a numbered memo was received, was posted in the internet, dated June 25, 2024, implementation of the assigning accredited contractors and consultants project engineer, which will start on July 1, 2024. So, ang katong assignment nato of the contractors project engineers was based on DO94 series of 2020. Kung may nungtong pangwana. And then, kato siya nga DO was, kato lagi na issuehan din siya, na-superseded siya with DO156 2023, the deferment. And then, ang kato nga DO156, doon naman din ang numbered memo. So, after atong numbered memo, doon na po siya nasunod nga Department Order 118 Series of 2024, dated July 8, 2024. So, after na po sa DO118, doon na po yung DO nga ni-supersede ato DO148 2024. And this DO, ang state dito, assignment of contractors, consultant, projects, engineers to the DPWH project. So, for the district offices, ang classification sa ato project engineer buta dito is PE2. Ang young limits of assignments will be 10 contracts located within the same province for simultaneous assignment, each costing more than 150 million. For PE1, 11 contracts located within the same province for simultaneous assignments costing 100 million to 150 million. Then we have the provisional engineer, 10 contracts located within the same province, simultaneous assignment, each costing less than 100 million. Kana siya, dito na siya sa DO 118. Pero ang DO 148 na ni-supersede sa 118, ang limits of assignments would be PE2, 10 contracts located within the same region for simultaneous assignments, but with an aggregate cost of 1.5 billion. For PE1, 10 contracts located within the same region for simultaneous assignments, each costing not more than 150 million, but with an aggregate cost of 1 billion. For the provisional project engineer, 10 contracts located within the same region for simultaneous assignment, each costing not more than 100 million, but with an aggregate cost of 500 million pesos. Atay provisional project engineers. So, who are these provisional project engineers? So, ang provisional project engineers, mauna siya ang katong applicants, katong mga project engineers, licensed civil engineers na applicants who got a score of 60% and above sa ilang exam are automatically accredited as provisional project engineers. So, accreditation for provisional project engineers shall only be valid for 2 years. Within the 2-year validity period, a provisional engineer may apply for a regular accreditation subject to the criteria for accreditation as indicated in the succeeding sections of these issuances. So, katong Department 148, naana dito ang how to apply, how to change your accreditation status. So, please bigay nila ka na DO. That is DO 148 series of 2024. Kay ang kung ano DO 148, this order shall take effect immediately, Mango. So, I hope na mag-guided mo with this para maka-prepare mo sa inyo ang project engineers to be assigned to the project. Related project engineers. Pero naman siya provisional project engineers ko. At mo tayo sa mga 160, you will be accredited as provisional. Limited siya up to 10 projects located in the same region for simultaneous assignments, each costing 150 million with an aggregate cost of 1 billion. Ang sa provisional 10 contracts, 100 million but an aggregate cost of 500 million. Aggregate cost. So that's all, Mr. Chair, for today's general reminders.
Thank you so much, ma'am. You can ask copies of the said Department Order 148 for you also to, especially to the stakeholders, for you to inform the owner that this Department Order shall take effect immediately. You can, your email at please leave it to the clerks outside so matagaan mo kopya sa DO148. Siguro it's high time na we look for engineers from the DPWH, especially those after their journey, and accreditation is project engineer 2. Then, magpakuhan sila, change sila accreditation for costly para sa atong mga stakeholder, automatically project engineer 2 na sila. I presume. Kung project engineer 3 ka sa DPWH, pagkaliin project engineer 3. Kung project engineer 2 and 1, or affiliate sa 1, contractor, project engineer 1. I hope I'm correct. So with that, moving forward, number 12. Okay. Moving on. I presume our presenter is now ready for this presentation. But before that, ma'am, please proceed regarding also the previous procurement activities sa posting na total was the date.
Okay. For contract ID 25JB0022, construction upgrading, rehabilitation of drainage along national roads, junction Pulauan Port Road, K1827 plus a negative displacement of 297 to K1827 plus 450. Contract duration of 181 CDs and ABC of 11,369,860 pesos only. So posted in the PJEPs, DPWH website, and at the conspicuous place of the procuring entity. Pre-bid conference is scheduled today, October 25, and opening of bids will be made on November 8, 2024. For contract ID 25JB0023, construction improvement of access roads leading to trades, industries, and economic zones, roads with bridging linkages for industries and trade infrastructure program, Roll 8, Barangay Situbo, Antonino, Penacio Road, connecting national road leading to Situbo, Antonino, Penacio Farmers Association in support of coconut, rubber, and Abaca industries, Sergio, Osmeña, Zamboanga, contract duration of 44 CDs and ABC of 4,900,000 pesos only. So posted in the DPWH website, and at the conspicuous place of the procuring entity, pre-bid conference is scheduled today, October 25, and opening of bids will be made on November 8, 2024. For contract ID 25JB0024, construction improvement of access roads leading to trades, industries, and economic zones, roads and bridging linkages for industry and trade and infrastructure program Roll 8, Sitio, Dunlog, Sitio, Barangay Potungan, road connecting Provincial Road and Bagacay in support of Cacao, and coffee industry, Sitio, Dunlog, Sitio, Dapitan City, Zamboanga del Norte contract duration of 44 CDs and ABC of 4,900,000 pesos only. So posted in the PJEPs, DPWH website, one of the conspicuous place of the procuring entity, pre-bid conference today, October 25. Contract ID 25JB0025, preventive maintenance of the Pulauan and Sergio Osmeña Road, Zamboanga del Norte1st boundary road. K1872 plus 402 to K1823 plus 887.70. Contract duration of 135 CDs and ABC of 53,584,520 pesos only. So posted in the DPWH website, conspicuous place and PJEPs closed pre-bid conference today, October 25, and opening of bids will be on November 8, 2024. For contract ID 25JB0026, construction, upgrading, rehabilitation of drainage along national roads, Dipolog Ortega Road, K1827 plus 00 to K1829 plus 00. Contract duration 147 CDs and ABC of 14,565,540 pesos only. So posted in the Linkages, DPWH website, and applicants was space, the procuring entity, legal conference is scheduled today, October 25, and opening will be made on November 8. For contract ID 25JB0027, construction improvement of access roads leading to declared tourism destinations, tourism road infrastructure program 3, Penacio, La Purísima, Canon Road leading to Canon Falls, Mutya, Zamboanga, Dunlog, contract duration of 59 CDs, and FTC of 9,800,000 pesos. So posted in the Linkages, DPWH website, and because speaker was place of the procuring entity, legal conference today, October 25, and opening of bids will be made on November 8. Contract ID 25JB0028, off-carriageway improvement, junction Pulauan Port Road, K1827, plus a negative displacement of 322 to K1828 plus 562, contract duration of 39 CDs, and ABC of 3,920,000 pesos only. So posted in the Linkages, DPWH website, and at the speaker was placed in the procuring entity, legal conference is today, October 25, and opening of bids will be made November 8, 2024. That's all, Mr. Chair.
Thank you so much, Mark, for the detailed explanation. Then, I presume you are now ready. Engineer Byron, you are recognized, and you will now start your presentation.
Good morning, everyone. So my name is Byron from the Planning Design Section. I'm here to discuss and present to you the 7 projects for this pre-bidding conference. The first project, contract ID 25JB0022, construction of grading rehabilitation drainage along national roads, junction Pulauan Port Road, K1827 plus negative displacement of 297 to K1827 plus 450. Location is Barangay San Pedro, Dapitan City, with a project length of net length of 747 meters, with a lateral drainage length of 633 linear meters. So this is the layout plan of the project. So beginning niya is a junction sa Pulauan Port Road and Dipolog Road. There is a left side, ano siya itong drainage. So with sidewalk na siya, cover catch basin. And during a part is, during a project, gap ni siya diri kay tungod kay dito po na siya ma-include sa atong off-carriageway improvement kaning 25JB0028 which is pronounced. So ang atong drainage mo siya diri and tama diri kaning sa left side and sa right side ang beginning kaning part. So kaning diri sa right side ang kaniya is catch basin with sidewalk, pero wala na siya itong lateral drainage nga tamburong sa ilalo. Ang yung outlet, diretso na sa diri sa seaside. Nasa ibo, kuhan nga 24 inches nga tamburong para sa yung outlet. So sa left side, continuous na siya, tama sa diri, 1827 plus 275. Yung kanipod sa right side. So, layout plan, sa aerial view, So, kaninga part. Kaya nagkagawin sa ulo. So, kaniyang beginning sa left side, yung junction. Kanisa sa left side. Kani ko beginning sa right side. So, nasa removal sa guardrails sa riprap. Kani siya na siya natural drainage. Kani siya, ma-remove siya. Sa right side. Tamang direct. Sa right side. Kani siya ang itong plan. Siyempre ito siya sa layout. So, main ang sa left side, ang main ang RCPC ang sidewalk, dali nga part. So, kaya kanina, belong siya to sa Provincial improvement. And sa right side, kanina itong beginning. Continue. Ang lateral drainage sa left side. Finish na siya. Kani ang tubigan ay diretso ra din siya sa outlet. Tama dali. Ang sa itong right side. So, ang typical section niya, ano siya? So, dari sa left side, na siya catch basin. So, kani siya, nani siya tamboro na lateral. And may guardrails, and riprap. Then, kani siya sa right side niya, ang tubig, diretso ra siya gawas. Ay catch basin, diretso ra siya gawas. Then, may outlet siya na diretso ra siya gawas sa tubig. Kani po sa katong catch basin. Napiti siya itong sa right side. So kani siya na ito ang tamburong ani sa lateral kaning may sa outlet kani mo 610 na. Sa garan is 2 meters. So pieces ang para sa outlet. So sa atong katong carbon gutter. 0.5 ang carbon gutter. Included na. Ay natay item 200 ay sa itong calendar. Sa itong carbon. Sa summary of quantities, so sa part A, the provision of field office for the engineer on rental basis. So, sa field office, temporary field office, nga with the photo ng container van, so rental din siya, or equivalent with air conditioning unit, furnish and maintain shall be provided to the engineer. Then, operation and maintenance of field office for the engineer, operation and maintenance siya for including electric and water bill. Then, provision of 4x4 pickup service vehicle for the engineer on bare rental basis. So, very rental for 4x4 pickup service vehicle na 5-seaters. Then, operation and maintenance for 4x4 pickup type service vehicle for the engineer. So, ang gamit na siya, ang DPWH engineer na siya. Then, provision of progress photographs. Then, sa part B, project billboard and signboard. So, included na siya, may 4 each na siya, kaya included niya sa kuha nga billboard. DPWH and kuha billboard in beginning and end. So, mana siya ng dua sa beginning, dua sa end. Mana siya upat ang ito, project billboard and signboard. Then, official safety and health program, 1. and traffic management. So traffic management as per DO 13, series of 2018, a revised guidance for the preparation of cost estimates for traffic management and safety health requirements. And mobilization and mobilization, nagamit siya sa part C na the removal of actual structural obstruction, for removal of existing grouted riprap, then structure obstruction for concrete, nasa driving ang ito dito, then existing guardrails, removal, then structure excavation, and pipe covers and drain excavation. So, kanisa sa program, ano siya yung apoy amount sa drainage. Sa sub-base and base course, nag-read sa base course, kanisa din sa sidewalk and catch gutter. And reinforcing steel 340 in structural concrete for catch basin, then pipe culverts ng 600 din in transport for cross drainage ato na siya sa outlet sa atin sa right side. Then pipe culverts ka 910 mm diameter transport SPC sa atong lateral drainage. So sa abay sa atong carriageway. And grouted riprap class A, intended siya for slope protection at ang class B. Granted uniqueness. Then stone masonry for midwood. Then carbon gutter cast in place for road safety and sidewalk. 1.5 meter ang atong sidewalk atong width. And metal guardrails, metal beam. So katong remove na itong guardrails, i-replacean na ito. Then nato tayo metal beam in piece and fish tape. Sa minimum equipment requirement sa drainage is 1 load bed trailer, 1 water truck pump, and 1 motorized road grader, 1 dump truck, then 1 cargo truck, 1 backhoe, 1 backhoe with breaker. Kani siya, dapat ni siya, magamit siya itong rock excavation na excavate nga bato and katong sa removal of riprap. And 1 plate compactor, and 1 backhoe wheel type, 1 cutting outfit, 1 lateral roller, 1 bagger mixer, 1 concrete vibrator, 1 concrete saw, 1 bar cutter, 1 bar binder, and 1 cargo truck. For the minimum technical personnel required, 1 project engineer, 1 resident civil engineer, 1 materials engineer, 1 geometry control engineer, 1 construction foreman, trained first aider, and 1 construction safety officer. So that's all, sir, for this project, sir.
So the presenter opens the floor for any questions and clarifications. Very nga, numero po sa proceed to contact ID 35GB0023.
Next project, contract ID 25GB0023, construction improvement of access roads leading to trade industries and economic zones, roads between linkages for industry and trade infrastructure program road Barangay Situbo and to Antonino to Penacio Road, connecting National Road leading to Situbo, Antonino, Penacio Farmers Association in support of coconut and rubber and Abaca industries, Sergio, Osmeña, Zambo del Norte. So from station 2 plus 996 to 4 plus 283.8 with a net of 2.57562 kilometers. So continuation lang siya sa 2024 na project na to, road shouldering. So kaniya sa 2024 na to project, so dili ko part at beginning. So continuation na siya, road shouldering. Then katong walay landage, di butang atong landage, then guardrails for mga road safety issues. So kaniya sa size. dali ang ato ang end sa project. So, kani nga itong plan, typical road shouldering din siya ang atong project with the pictures. So, ito sa typical. So, typical section yan, tingnan nyo lang. So, nasa existing na karensuin na to, then, road shouldering na dayon, both sides. So, kani siya, baris ang iyang road shoulder since na tayo structure. So, katong mo maigo sa 1 meter, 1.5 mo maigo siya. Mo ko itong ikuha, pero dili ganit abot, pa-reference sa itong structure. So, baris siya. Slowly road shouldering road safety features. So ang road shoulder, ang items of course na involved lang sa part A is provision of progress photographs, and sa part B, twin-board actual safety, system rack, and sa part C, the removal of construction obstruction, ano siya sa stone masonry nga maigo. So, nasa existing dito nga hit wall, nasa kuan maigo. So, ang atong line ditch ani, nga kuan is stone masonry na, dito structural concrete. So, muna siya sa atong drainage and slope protection structures na item 5061, stone masonry. So, sinin siya dito sa atong line ditch, at atong hit wall na maigo, na replace. Then sa atong 3111A, si 1 shoulder paving, ano siya. Then, sa miscellaneous structures, metal guardrails, guardrails and in piece, fish tail, and warning signs ng horizontal alignment curve and chevron signs. Then, characterized ng plastic pavement markings, ano siya sa edge line lang siya. Sa minimum equipment requirement, so lahat ang minimum equipment requirement dahil siya sa drainage. So ang sa kaninga project, ang minimum equipment requirement is 1 wood bed trailer, 1 backhoe, bulldozer, 1 bracketed roller, then 1 concrete batch plan, 1 backhoe with breaker, then 1 payloader, motorized road grader, dump trucks, water truck, transit concrete, 1 backhoe wheel tile, and cargo truck, then bar cutter, concrete spreader, concrete saw, mechanized drill sealer equipment, concrete vibrator, 1 bagger mixer, 1 picator machine, 1 ED machine. So sa minimum technical personnel required, same lang siya sa previous na project. So that's all sir.
Any clarifications, questions? Hearing none, you will now proceed to contract ID 25GB0024.
For contract ID 25GB0024, construction improvement of access roads leading to trades, industries, and economic zones, roads leveraging linkages for industry and trade infrastructure program, Road 8. Sitio Dunlog, Sitio Barangay, Potungan Road, connecting Provincial Road, and Bagacay in support of Cacao and coffee industries. Sitio Dunlog to Sitio Dapitan City, Zamboanga del Norte. So project length niya is 369.9 meters, with shoulder paving of 1,094.72 square meters. Ang road concreting na to is 57 meter lang, and line reach is 143.8. And road size is 35. Muna siya na ito ang layout plan. So muna siya sa Dunlog tulay, Dunlog Bridge, and kani siya ang beginning sa itong project, ngunit itong end sa ato ang shoulder pave na system dito. So, dili nga part is shoulder paving ng kanin, mga road safety features. Pag-abot dari, muna siya itong road concreting nga 87 meters. So, mga sumpay na din siya. So, ang atong carriageway width is 6.7 and 1.5 ang atong shoulders. Siya sa overview. So, muna siya ang atong project sa 2025. So, muna siya sa site. So, muna siya na siya carriageway pero wala siya shoulder pave. Sa road concreting, ano siya? Padong diri sa kanyang specific. So, kanyang na itong plan. Sa typical section, kaya siya na existing ang carriage na PCP, then ang atuang trabaho is sa shoulder niya nasa existing na lineage. Sa road concreting na siya itong project, so 6.7 ang tip passage sa project, 6.7, 1.5 shoulder, then structural concrete linkage, and grouted with prop. Grouted with pumps, granted in thickness, then metal guardrails. So, atong item 200 is granted in thickness, and the PCCP is 280 mm thickness. Existing na siya ay structure, so katong sa shoulder paving na niya. Sa item of work, so same lang siya sa previous na discuss. Wala na siya na ato ang pala is nalugang ang PCP na 280 mm thickness. Then itong lineage is structural ang nagamit ulit. May brake prop, then warning signs na curve, horizontal alignment curve, and winding road na warning signs. Then chevrons din na aside, trace furnishing and transplanting. So, nasa isa kabuok na maligpisan as per DNR Memorandum number 2012-02 dated November 5, 2012 and DEO 34 series of 23 seedlings and trees to be planted and maintained by the contractor. So, pili siya sa atong contractor. And thermoplastic sa atong for broken wide center line on 50 and continuous wide pitch line on 100 mm wide. Minimum equipment requirements, so same lang niya sa previous nga discuss natin ng project sa minimum technical personnel requirement. So, sir, for this project side.
Again, the presenter opens the floor. We will now proceed to the next contract ID.
For next contract ID, 25GB0025, preventive maintenance, Dipolog, Punta Dachulian, Sergio, Osmeña, Zamboanga del Norte1st, Boundary Road, Cadence 72 plus 402, Cadence 73 plus 87.7. Net length niya is 1.3547 kilometers. So, spag overlay ang ating project. Ikan dari sa before sa junction to Sikitan. So nato yung assisting asphalt. Dari atong pan is inner lanes lang ang atong project with transition sa kada side is 1 meter. Dari ang ato ang sa atong project before sa Dapitan lang nga bridge. Siya sa DPWH. Kani ang junction pa doon sa Sikitan. Sa Dapitan lang bridge. So, kung na yung green na itong project. So, kaniyang picture sa beginning sa itong project. So, ang atong overlay, itong inner lanes na kay na ibang portion, wala pa yung widening. Part na itong sa project. So, muna siya itong plan. Typical section sa itong project. So, kani siya both sides ng siya widening. So, ato ang asphalt overlay, 2 layers ni siya na 50 mm thickness. So, total niya is 100 mm. Then, kani siya na paano siya transition, doon siya sa program, 1 meter. Gikan sa ato inner lanes, na siya 1 meter na transition, both sides. Transition. Pero kapag wala siya i-widening, tama rin siya sa pitch. So, sa beginning, sa project, so, dapat may transition yung butang. So, 10 meters na yung malapas. Kaya nga itong beginning sa itong project, so, na siya 10 meters na transition. Na-update po sa atin sa itong project. Summary quantities, so part A, so simulan siya na central office, then operation and maintenance, operation of 4x4 pickup service vehicle, operation and maintenance of 4x4 pickup service vehicle. Sa part E lang siya naman is na itong item is emulsified asphalt para sa ito 20 years na overlay na 50 mm thickness and bituminous concrete surface with reinforced na athlete 50 mm. Then sa miscellaneous structures, anti-road safety, itong warning signs, horizontal alignment cord, horizontal alignment reverse cord, then horizontal alignment winding road. Then regulatory signs na priority signs stop at junction sa padulong sa Sikita. And several signs sa mga kurbada and requires thermoplastic pavement markings. So kani siya, para rin siya sa continuous wide separation line na 200 mm wide and broken wide scanning line. 150 mm. Sa minimum equipment requirements sa asphalt overlay, so 1 load bed trailer, 2 asphalt paver, 2 pneumatic tire roller, 2 tandem steel roller, 2 asphalt distributor, 2 water truck pump, then 1 cargo truck, 1 power broom, 2 meter wide, then 1 applicator machine and 1 milling machine. Then sa minimum technical personnel required, so same lang siya sa itong previous discussion.
So I presume our contract will be based for customs and applications after the present all these presentation. We now proceed to the next contract.
For contract ID 25GB0026, construction of building, rehabilitation, drainage along National Roads, Pulauan National Road, K1827 plus 000 plus to K1859 plus 000. So, yung net length of drainage is 2018 mm. So, gikan siya sa Uawon, padulong sa Barangay to sa Larayan. So, drainage lang atong pa siya. U-type nga line ditch, then atong sa junction sa Uawon, siya ay cross drain. So, kaya siya sa 1857. So line pitch na lang nila. Kaya nga part, itong junction sa Wawo natay skew nga tamburong 2 lines nga install. Kaya naman tayo removal sa concrete and paano po, atara po siyang ipisa sa spot. Kini siya, pwede lang nga niya pag-tulong sa junction tuliyan. Pag-abot din kanina palugsong, ang atuang line list diri, dapo mo siya. Ito na siyang 1 meter a 0.9 ang atuang depth, 10.7 ang yung width. Atong diri sa bilturan katurang standard na ito, 0.5 by 0.6 ang atuang sa itong line list. Kaya siya, magdapo na siya, kaya mula siya kalabayan. Taas-taas pa, tama pa siya dito sa system ng box control. So, ang shoulder frame na siya shoulder frame, so mabaris na siya, depende lang din sa maganamatay system mga structures ng balay. So, ang ito ang shoulder frame na mabal, mabilit abot sa 1 meter. So, depende na lang din sa actual o ang ito ang masigong na line gauge o shoulder frame. Kaya nasa mga balay na. Tama siya rin. So, ang diri nga po, ang line gauge nato ay paborito sa left side. Atong padulong sa 1029 na ang sa left side dapit kay ang sa left side ang ay mga bungtod at padulong sa bungtod. So, sa plan. So, kanya atong plan. So, sa left side, sa right side, so nansay line gauge. Siya dili. Kung siya hulog siya ng existing na RCPC dili. Continue siya sa right side. Continue siya sa right side. Hulog siya ng existing na box convert. Kung sa junction sa Wawan, kanya pa yung junction sa Wawan, kanya nga ito ang install na 2 lines na skew na RCPC. So, yung angle is 45 degrees. Yung dili ba ito tapo ko? So, yung length is 26 meter, 26 meter. Yung katong pasaka, alam mo ba, dari dapit na line gauge. Kani nga par, ano siya, dako nga line gauge ang masin. Panao padulong atong box convert. Kani nga box convert. Dari sa left side na layers na ito ang line gauge gamit sa 1829. Section na to, so nga siya, so ang kanin na siya shoulder nga 1.5, sumusik ang 1.5, then structure complete line gauge ito ang structure. So nakatay surplus ng excavation, then itong shoulder frame 150 mm thickness speed. Kanina siya existing drainage. Then sa tamborong, itong i-install niya bago kanya siya last section niya. So 26 na siya kabok times 2 at 2 lines. So 22 ka tamburong. So na siya ka-space dari sa inlet and stone masonry evolving wall sa outlet. So kanya siya, kung sige nga i-remove, so replace siya. Ako tayo item nga sa PCB na 280 thickness. Part A, same lang siya sa Part A, sa previous discuss. Then sa Part B, ang additional lang niya is improvements and clearances. So na lubi nga igo. So ano siya. Then sa removal of trees, nasa itulo ka po ang removal of trees. Then ay replacement, isa nga ma-replace mga 50 ka seedlings. Sa removal of structure obstruction, so sa 280 mm thickness of existing PCB, remove and surplus common excavation, and natay structure excavation subtract. May katulad sa tungod sa aning strand of tamburong, pagtuhan tungod sa right side. 5 culverts and drain excavation sa tamburong and embankment from road distribution. And sa aggregate service course, kani siya intended sa college wing nga agatong sa removal sa PCB. So, pwede yung thickness siya. And kanina sa PCB nga shoulder pave, 150 mm thickness, at 280 mm thickness sa itong college wing. And reinforcing steel grid 40, structural concrete plus is atong 9 inch, and 5 culverts sa itong first drainage, and concrete with plus is at itong protection. Finish sa atong first drainage. Next doon masundray sa atong inwall. Furnishing transplanting, matulong isa na yung mga isa. And requires thermoplastic pavement markings. Isa. Sa thermoplastics. Sa iyang minimum equipment requirement, so same lang siya sa itong previous na discuss. Basta po lang sa minimum technical personnel required. That's all said for this spreadsheet.
Okay. Issue. Repetitions and questions will be noted after your presentation. We're going to proceed to the next.
25GB0027, construction improvement of access roads leading to the third tourism destination, tourism road infrastructure program, Penacio to La Purisima Cannon Road, leading to Cannon Falls, Mutya, Zamboanga del Norte. So from station limits, 0 plus 712 to station 1 plus 080, in the length of 368 meters. So pwede siya sa 2024 na project na to. So kanya sa 2024 plan na to ng project, kanya sa 2025, kanyang green. Kanya siya sa picture sa side. Plan na to, so kanya na to sa plan sa project. So nasa line ditch, building part na siya line ditch, structural concrete line ditch. So dito siya na siyang outlet. Hindi siya hulog ang tubig. Dali ang itong end sa itong project. Sa typical section sa itong project, so 6.10 na itong carriageway, yung 230 mm thickness na PCCP, and 200 mm thickness na item 200 with shoulder pave na 1 meter, 150 mm thickness. Then structural concrete line ditch, both sides. RCPC, tamburong ang per section, so ano siya, sa inlet, ay tayong piston masuri na catch basin, sa outlet, piston masuri head wall, wing wall, apron. Ito ang RCPC is 910 mm ng RCPC. Sa embankment capital section, so natay grouted with track. Both sides with 300 mm thickness atong grouted with track with forward safety natay metal guardrails. condition na wala siya structure sa iyang during a project, so same lang yapon siya sa part A and part B. Sa playa na niya, sa itong thickness sa PCB is 230 thickness, pag sa itong medium size so, nandiyan siya guardrails and thermoplastic. With plastic pavement markings white. Sa minimum technical person required of minimum equipment requirement, so same lang siya sa previous na instance. Proceed to last project. Contract ID 25GB 0028 of Penacio Improvement, Junction Pulauan Port Road. 57 plus negative displacement of 322 to 28 plus 562. So, main na itong nga sa project is turnouts. So, tulo ka turnouts ang itong butang. Ang duha, tag 60 linear meter ang duha. Then, ang kaning isa is 67 meters. Katong ganiya, katong sa drainage na to, so nato yung bakante, muna siya itong bulangan sa turnouts, siya din isa. Siya dito sa itong, may igo ni siya doon sa itong sa drainage. Ito siya mula siya i-appeal sa drainage na itong project, diri siya sa turnouts sa itong. So kanya 60 meters siya, manipod 60 meters siya sa section 2 na turnouts. Then kani ang sa section 3 man 67 meters atong dapit sa may CCTV padulong na sa pantanan sa layout plan asa real view kani siya turnouts 1, turnouts 2, turnouts 3. So kani siya sa turnouts 1, so nasa rock excavation, so rock excavation na isa sa section 1 and sa section 1 na turnouts. In section 2, so nasa removal of kaning existing sidewalk, carbon gutter, then RCP. Then kani siya nasa may go na water line, water meter. Kani sa section 3. So nasa yung ma-remove o kaning guardrails. Then napo siya part na ma-remove na existing na naman siya existing dali na turnouts. Pero sa design nato is mahirap ma-run siya at matungin na tayo removal sa PCCP. 16. Plan sa section 1. So, natay yung turnouts na 3.6 niya itong standards. And carbon gutter, then cat spacing inside. So, itong sa drainage na to, nilirap ito siya mga bilay. Sa section 2 sa itong turnouts, sa left side ng siya. Kani siya sa section 3 itong turnouts. So kani siya nakahats diri, kani siya existing na turnouts, kani siya yung isa. Kani siya yung cut section. Yung movement niya ay 60 meters. Kasi cut spacing niya ay siya sa section 1, section 2. Kani siya nagkawa how to determine thickness of the space. Puro carbon copper. Then ito plus rock excavation na soft, then structure excavation na soft rock. The part B, it is 1 drive cabinet thickness. Drainage of the structures, test 10 for 16 to 40 and structure of the task. Provincial, Abaca, and 5 converts in continent transparental stone protection. And for the carbon gutters at all turnouts, Sergio, with regard to methodology space of solid shape. And regulatory sites na 450 by 750, R5 forcing na parking sites, loading signs, loading and unloading zone. Then, nailuwang kakahoy nga 250 this part of it. It's a thermoplastic, thermoplastic for continuous white edge time. So sa minimum equipment requirement, minimum technical personnel required, so same lang siya sa previous na naman project. So that's all sir for
we will now entertain questions and clarifications before we proceed to another announcement. Again, thank you so much for the detailed presentation on the projects as enumerated a while ago. Thank you, Engineer Byron. Do you have any additional announcement?
Okay, so reminders na during the submission of your bids, kung dili kamo ang contractor, be sure na namo sa CRC. Kung wala mo sa CRC, please bring the authorization letter na authorized and duly notarized, stating therein the specific projects na inyong i-purchase or inyong i-drop. Then, please also bring your ID na compare na mo sa inyong project. So, letter. Kung naamo sa CRC, as per our back chairperson, you may also bring your company ID para ma-cross-check siya. Sir, gusto natin.
So we are about to adjourn. There's also a general reminder during the conduct of the preliminary examination, pursuant to section 30, subsection 30.1, in ascertaining the contracts or the documents submitted from the opening of bids, this committee, BAC committee, will be using the pass or fail criteria. And so also, this BAC committee will be using the updated 2016 RRR of 9184. I know for those who just attended the PBB, the last time I announced that the new Republic Act 12009 next year pa, and that provision, section 113, stating the 9184 shall remain in force. So also sealing of bids under subsection 31.1. The ABC shall always be the upper limit. If the contractor submitting the same above, the ABC shall be automatically disqualified. And after the BAC determining the lowest calculated fee, in pursuant to section 34.1, the said contractor who has the lowest calculated fee shall undergo post-qualifications in order to determine whether the same is in condition of the invitation to be, and after that the BAC will send a notice to the lowest calculated fee, informing him, so also informing to submit those required documents as required by law. Failure to submit within the remedial specific time shall be allowed for disqualification and forfeiture of his bid security. So also the font size of the documents using Tacoma. So anytime we give you the note regarding font of your required documents as specified in the invitation to be. So we're about to adjourn. As any other would like to offer?